5 reasons to call Royale's Administrative Touch LLC for your administrative consultation today. Number 1, an administrative consult can analyze and optimize current processes to improve efficiency, reduce redundancy, and streamline operations, which helps save time and resources. Number 2, by identifying inefficiencies and implementing cost-effective solutions, an administrative consult can help reduce operational expenses and improve the overall financial health of the business. Number 3, as a business grows, so does its administrative needs. An administrative consult can develop and implement scalable systems and processes to support expansion and ensure smooth transitions as the business evolves. Number 4, navigating regulatory requirements and managing risk can be complex. An administrative consult can ensure the business adheres to legal and industry standards, helping to avoid potential legal issues and penalties. And of course, number 5, an administrative consult can provide valuable insights and strategies for long-term planning, helping entrepreneurs to set achievable goals, align their administrative functions with business objectives, and drive sustainable growth. Call Royale's Administrative Touch LLC now. Talk to you soon.